as you're building this, right, let me talk about the 800-pound gorilla, which is there on everybody's mind, AI, right? And now, for some people, AI solves everything, and AI is going to be that magic wand which is going to solve everything. For some people, there is skepticism that I think this is just another process and another hurdle, right? In your lens, what should people be looking at, and where do you think it falls?
So I think it definitely serves a purpose. And I think, any organization that is not trying to figure out how do you leverage it or integrate it, right, like into your daily process is probably going to be behind. But it doesn't solve all the problems, right? It doesn't replace strategy. It doesn't replace critical thinking. And so, we're looking at opportunities to work that into our regular process flow to say, let's leverage it for how we organize our data, right? But we still need the content, right, from the individuals. We still need that critical thinking on how we're going to apply things. But we've done this approach with a 30% head start, right? So we're like, if we can leverage AI to give us a 30% head start on any of the tasks that we're operating on, right, it just makes us faster, more efficient. Want to be cognizant of, accuracy, that kind of thing. But it's been very helpful too to identify those kinds of trends, right? So if we talk about that evaluation of that entire end-to-end services life cycle, where can we see trends? On some of our larger services engagements, right? It's when we continue to run into issues, right? Our risk and issue log. Can we trend some of the information so that we can reduce those risks for our customers? And so that's been very, very powerful.